Today we will be doing lemon or lime gojju or curry. This is more like sweet, sour and spicy chutney. The ingredients are 4 limes or lemons. For masala, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon methi seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, around 10 badki red chilies. The quantity depends on the sourness of the lime or lemon. 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Again, the quantity depends on the sourness of the lime or the lemon. 2 teaspoons salt or salt to taste, 1.5 cup of water. For seasoning, we need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon jeera. First, we have to press and roll the lime with your palm as shown here. So it releases the juice and it takes away the bitterness. Then we have to wash this and cut the limes or lemon into small pieces as shown here. Discard the seeds. Take this cut lemon in a pan, add water and turn on the heat. We have to cook this lemon. Once it is cooked, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Now we'll fry the masala. Heat around a quarter teaspoon of oil in a pan on medium low heat. Add red chilies, add methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Fry it for a minute on low heat. Now add jeera or cumin seeds and mustard seeds. We have to fry this until the methi seeds turns golden brown. Now the methi seeds turned golden brown and the masala is ready. Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Once it cooled completely, grind this masala to a fine powder. To this powder, add cooked lemon or lime along with the water. Grind it to a fine paste. Now add salt and jaggery. Again, grind it to a fine paste. Transfer the gojju to the bowl and we'll add the seasoning. For seasoning, heat the oil in a ladle on medium heat. Oil is hot enough, add mustard seeds. After it sputters, add jeera and fry it for few seconds. Turn off the heat. Add the seasoning to the prepared gojju. Mix it well and this lemon gojju is ready to serve. You can eat with roti, rice, chapati as well. Points to remember: the quantity of salt and the jaggery depends on the sourness of the lime or lemon. It may taste bitter on the day it is prepared, but if you eat the next day, it will be really very tasty. I hope you enjoy making this lemon or lime gojju. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.